be showing you is a DIY book holder. Now, the things you will need for this is a pair of scissors, some paper, and an empty cereal box, and you could either use PVA glue or a hot glue gun. So, the first thing we're going to do is mark your cereal box in the shape that you want it. And now I've already done mine before camera, so now I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So now I'm going to be cutting it out. So now that I've cut this box out, I have got this cute puppy paper and I'm going to be using this to cover it. So I'm just going to turn my hot glue gun on, and first you're just going to measure and see if the thing fits. And if it does, then that's okay. But if it doesn't, then you're just going to might have to use 2 pieces of paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is stick one side on first. So now that you've seen, I've done most of the box, but I've not stuck these bits down. I've made it into the shape of a cereal box and I've stuck them all down. I've made enough so it can fit the bottom and the side, but this side is not enough. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to cut a piece out and just stick it on. So I'm just going to get a piece and I'm going to put some glue on there. Or you can use a hot glue gun or anything you want. And I'm just going to stick it on to where it should fit. Just like that, and now you can't notice anything. So now for these sides here, as you can see, it's in the shape of a cereal box there. So what you're going to do is, on this side here, you're going to fold it down inwards. Now that you've seen it, I'm sticking.
So this is the second DIY and we're going to be making a pencil case. You're going to be needing some fabric, a zip, and some rubber bands. So first you're going to get your zip and attach it to your piece of fabric. Okay, when you've got your zip on, then you can use some elastics to tie off the ends so they look like a sweet wrap. So this is the finished product. Okay, stop.
Hey guys, I'm making a book cover and it's going to be a panda book cover. So you will need a book and you will need some felt tips, black and thin felt tips, and we will be making a book cover and our book cover will be a panda. We will need plain paper, felt tips, thin, fat, and remember you've got a black felt tip. So we need glue for this. So I'm going to glue it on to the book so it doesn't look all a different colour. If you have white, you don't need to put white paper, it's your choice. Now I'm going to stick it on. So there's no purple. So guys, I have actually drawn the panda and remember to smile.
Okay, so for the next DIY, we're going to be making a pencil holder. So we need a jar and some ribbon, and I'll glue gun it.